Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Murtadha Bin Rafaai.
And my name is Ahda Binti Awallul Azmi. We are the lecturers from Politeknik Seberang, Perai.
Today we are presenting our educational innovation, which is an application called Smart Excel. It is an application focusing on Microsoft Excel and currently actively being used in 5 Politeknik Malaysia across Malaysia and also UiTM Merbuk.
We are focusing on the students who are taking audit and computer application related courses. First, support and complement to existing institutional study platforms such as CDOS in Politeknik and UFuture in UiTM. Number 2, generic and open resources include teaching aids for lecturers and students from various educational institutions across fields and continents.
Number 3, specific resources in various interactive material forms such as tutorial, exercise, e-learning videos, web e-learning platform for the use of lecturers and students and identified subtopics. Finally, link to education resources related to the course that has been set. We hope this Smart Excel application can continue to benefit all students in need, not only in Politeknik and UiTM, but to all students all over the world, insyaAllah. Study smart with Smart Excel. Bye.